My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the unwanted browser extension that is called Style Flex. This particular extension is designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of this extension indicate that it is some helpful tool that changes web page content alignment left, right, and center. Maybe this feature is helpful for some categories of people, but in reality the extension operates as adware. Once installed, it starts displaying the great portion of advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. Furthermore, this particular extension is often spread through integration with many free applications. So, in most of the cases, people download and install it absolutely unintentionally. I'm just going to install this extension on purpose in order to let you know how to get rid of it after it was installed. Access the menu, More Tools, Extensions, then disable and remove this extension if you find it. To make sure that your system is free of other hidden threats, I recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this special green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system to detect and delete other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.